What's up guys, Clint Reether here with MarineMax Dallas. Today we're going to check out a 2023 Harris 230 Solstice. Let's hop in the boat. Up in the large bow area, you have all dry storage on front, either side. Total of 6 cup holders, JL audio up here. True ski locker, so a lot of storage in that as well. Let's take a look at the helm. This does have analog gauges along with the 7-inch Simrad screen as well. So GPS, air and water temperature, all through that screen. This is equipped with RGB lighting inside the boat and outside the boat as well. Let's check out the back. This is configured with the SL Lounder layout. It's the most popular layout from Harris. This does swivel back and forth and lays all the way flat. Back here, a lot more storage as well, along with your cooler, as well with the drain here. Ski tow bar. This is equipped with the Mercury 300 and the white cowling, which really looks great on the water. If this is something that interests you, come check us out at MarineMax Dallas in Louisville.